Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, we will review the client profile and show you how to locate all of the client's life and annuity policies, how to access their documents shared with them, add and track additional client information, and capture notes for all of your client meetings, emails, and other communications. You'll also learn how to set and manage notifications and alerts so that you can track policy changes, events, as well as upcoming premium payments. When you first visit the policy owner profile screen, you will have a single view of the client's life policies along with various carriers and products. Click on the View Details button on any policy to view its respective data, such as insured information, beneficiaries, payment information, and more. You get a similar view with annuity contracts as well by clicking on the Annuities tab. Click on the View Details button to see the annuity details such as annuitant information, payment information, beneficiaries, and more. You can also view any shared documents with your client by clicking on the Documents tab on the top. You can click on these download buttons to download directly to your computer if you ever need to. Next, additional information on your client can be added by selecting the Client Info tab. Here, you'll be able to add various types of information on your client, such as additional contact information, including email addresses and phone numbers, as well as employment details, partner and spouse information, dependent information, as well as high-level details on their net worth and income. The next feature on this same page is the Client Notes, which you can get to by scrolling to the top and clicking on the Notes tab. Here you'll be able to capture any notes for your client meetings, emails, and other communications that you may have had with them. Click into this text box to start creating your note. Make sure to click Save when you're finished, and your note will be saved. You can view the notes history for your client by clicking on this arrow button to view any previously written notes on the client as well. The policy owner profile screen is also home to setting and managing various notifications. The first type of notification is called policy events, which you can get to by clicking on this Add Policy Event button. This will allow you to either set a notification to send to you on a specific date in the future, via this calendar, or you can enter in an amount of days before an upcoming policy anniversary is coming up. A quick and easy way to set reminders for future client review meetings. The second type of notifications are Policy Watch notifications. Clicking on the Watch Policy button will allow you to set a notification to send to you whenever a significant event happens on this policy, such as a change in the annual premium, beneficiaries, cash value, even policy status. Finally, there is the Premium Tracker. Clicking on the Track Premium button will allow you to set up notifications to send to you any number of days before an upcoming premium payment is due, along with any notes you'd like to add. Overall, NIC's policy owner profile screen lets you see all of a client's policies, documents, and alerts in one place, making it easy to stay on top of every single detail. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.